Welcome to Blismos Academy. In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing MongoDB on Ubuntu. However, before we dive into the installation, let's take a look at the prerequisites. One of the requirements for installing is having Ubuntu already installed on your system. So if you haven't installed Ubuntu on your system, you can check out the description for the link of installing Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Once the installation of Ubuntu is done, open the Ubuntu. Since I've already installed Ubuntu, I'm just directly logging into the Ubuntu. Once you have logged into the Ubuntu, open a new terminal. So now let's get started with installation of MongoDB on Ubuntu. So let's start with updating all the normal commands by using sudo apt-update. It's asking for the password. Please give the password which you are given for the Ubuntu. So the system update is in process. Let's wait for some time. We have done with the updating the system processor. Now let's go for the next step. This step ensures the system updation properly. Once we have done with the updation of the system, let's import the MongoDB public key on the Ubuntu. This step ensures to import the MongoDB public key on Ubuntu 22.04. Once we have done with importing MongoDB public key on Ubuntu, let's configure the MongoDB repositories on the Ubuntu. To configure the MongoDB repositories on Ubuntu, we will use the following command. Now we have done with configuring the MongoDB repositories on the Ubuntu. Now let's install the MongoDB. So before that, let's once again update the system packages. The system package update is running. Once the updation is done, let's get started with the installation of MongoDB by using the command sudo apt install mongodb/org. Now you can see the MongoDB installation is in process. The installation of MongoDB is in progress. The installation of MongoDB is done. Now let's start and enable the MongoDB by using the below command. Sudo systemctl enable -now mongodb. Now we have done with the enabling the MongoDB. Now let's check the status of the MongoDB by using the command sudo systemctl status mongod. Here you can see active. That means MongoDB has been installed. After that, press Ctrl Z. Now let's check the version of the MongoDB by using the command mongo d-version. So the version of the installed MongoDB is 0.6. Now we have successfully done with the installation of NoSQL database MongoDB. Now let's get into the MongoDB by using the command mongosh. Here you can see test. That means we have logged into the MongoDB. So now let's check the inbuilt databases for the confirmation by using show DBS. Yes, we are successfully logged into the MongoDB NoSQL database. Please to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates on big data technologies from Blismos Academy. Thank you.